this is the Pro Shop version of the Marushan 1887 T2 lever action shotgun. Now,
personal favourite gun. So can hold 5 in the 5 in the tube, 1 in the chamber. But because I want you to hear that racking sound, I'm just going to leave 5 and none in the chamber.
Okay.
So you rack it and then rack it. You got to actually rack it hard. There you go.
Now this is a gas powered shotgun. Hold on
3 per BB.
Go for it.
Stuck.
The T2 spin.
The what?
You're going to do the T2 spin?
Yeah. Right, so I'm on the bike. You giant counter.
Very good. Oh, we're such children.
Or you can do the shoulder technique, which I saw, I don't know who did it this, where you go like that, and then... Or
do that one more time, it was too close.
Or this one, shoulder, and then like that, or the famous, that one. I'll shoot 5 more?
Go ahead.
Right. So, oh, don't worry, I've got plenty more shots. So we'll load 5, and we'll put 1 on the carrier. So back it up.
Hold it low so I can see the action,
Yeah.
even when you're firing it.
Alright, cool.
Go for it. Yep. I thought it was going to go flawless. Nice. Cheers, Marco.
And once more for the laugh.